It's morphin' time!
Dino Fury Key! Activate! Link to Morphin Grid! Dino Fury Power!
Shield Dino Key, ready!
Splash NATO!
Shield block!
Elasto Lash! Splash Shield!
He's blocking everything! And now he's disappeared.
Careful, team. He could attack again from any angle.
You mean like this? Sonic Splash!
I just can't gain control. Nothing works.
I love a day at the beach.
Yes, bug bites and sunburn are fantastic.
Ah, come on! Don't you want to build a sandcastle with me?
No, I'm bringing the sub-drone to the surface. Sandcastles are for later. Right now, the anticipation is building.
Woo! Something glowy! I'll get it! Whee! Come to mucus!
Careful now. Void Knight will pulp us like oranges if we damage it, whatever it is. Gadzooks! It can't be!
Let's go build a sandcastle at home!
Incredible.
No sweat!
Let me try to break his flow. Hyper Strike!
Splash Shield! Welcome to the deep end, Rangers!
A Gold Ranger?
Could it be?
Where did he come from?
I don't know.
You're about to get dragged under.
You'll find the deep doesn't scare me.
Then wade in.
Moza Blast!
Henchman!
Interesting. Moza Slash! Electro Key, ready! Who wants some? Electro Battle Armor! Electro Fury Blast!
You can't break my Splash Shield!
Really?
Well, that was a shock to the system.
Ha! Pitiful. Gold Fury Blade Blaster, ready!
The tide's turning to me.
Big words from someone who conducts electricity. Electro Fury Blade Blast!
He just obliterated him.
Wow, you totally saved our skin.
Who are you?
Hey, Zato.
You know him?
A skeleton. Made of plastic. With a big old price tag. So scary. What now?
I've got his scent.
They look kind of real. Guys, these Sporks Beasts aren't from you, are they? Hey, does anyone copy?
Oh, they won't be answering.
And I guess it's morphin' time. Dino Fury Key! Activate! Link to Morphin Grid! Dino Fury Power!
We've got a score to settle with you.
Mangy mutt, fish face, I remember you guys. Aw, not Mr. Skeleton. That howl is bad news. Really bad news. Mangy mutt, fish face, I remember you guys. Aw, not Mr. Skeleton. That howl is bad news. Really bad news.
Who's the good boy? Not him.
No big deal. Every problem has its solution.
Who wants a treat?
I do love treats.
My beautiful voice! What have you done to me?
That is a no-how drop.
So on. Can I get a no-how drop real quick? I'm dealing with a bad dog that makes things fall apart.
Who's hungry?
He looks a little peckish.
Oh, come on! Not again!
Let's take this blue brat out.
You can try.
I'm here if you need moral support.
Appreciate it. You guys want to explain?
With Master Regal's regeneration energy still flowing through us, we can't be defeated.
Love to see the science on that. Cause I got a nasty hunch you two are violating the laws of physics. Well, not on my watch. I'm gonna turn you into fish sticks. Spin key. Ready. Spin shut.
No! You're spreading his stink around! Ugh! Not in the sniffer!
Elasto Dino key. Ready. Elasto lash. Good luck regenerating from that. And now I really want fish sticks. Okay, enough fun and games. Better find the others. I wish we'd found something in the woods. If Solon can't figure this out, then Zato's stress levels are gonna go through the roof.
I feel that. Got 6 stories to write up today. Not one Sasquatch or poltergeist in any of them.
J-Borg, I need a steady hand to finish my masterpiece.
Oh, I'm your bot. I've got 2.
Okie dokie. Maddie, good to see you.
It's Stan.
Mick?
What are you guys doing here? We were here. Okay, well, I was just using Earth's databases to find the prism.
You! These computers are for Buzz Blast employees only. Come with me. Stop that ball!
Where'd he go?
I can smell your feet and your fear. You're coming with me, either quietly or in a doggy bag.
This is Sporks Beast at Buzz Blast.
Wait! What? Come back here!
What's going on?
The Beast is after that Mick guy.
Him? Why? Where is he?
He's a toy car now.
Go on, run! Your scent will lead me right to the Nexus Prism!
So Void Knight wants the Prism too?
Rangers!
Let's put this stray in the pound.
Yeah. It's morphin' time!
Dino Fury Key! Activate! Link to Morphin Grid! Dino Fury Power! I'll show you furry power!
Let's give ourselves a boost! Muscle Dino Key! Ready! Elasto Dino Key! Ready! Who's the good boy? Not him!
That how? Those boost leaves, they came apart. Just like our...
Megazord? Yeah, because you're right. I'm a bad doggy. Now where'd that slippery shapeshifter go?
Let's get Mick out of here!
Mr. Kanik, hold on tight!
Smell you later.
Come on.
Yes! Another trophy for my cabinet.
3 on 2. It's not fair, you know?
Greetings. I am Arla, a knight. From planet Rafcon.
Rafcon? So my planet survived after all this time? How? Tell me everything. So you're a knight too? It's so cool that Rafcon still has knights. I thought I was the last one.
The others will be delighted to meet you.
Hey, Arla, I'm...
Izzy, a hotshot athlete, strong, fearless, a real winner. And you're her brother, Javi, a free-spirited musician.
Yeah, but let's get back to all the things I'm great at. This is why I love Rafconians.
I'm here on a mission. Rafcon technology has greatly improved since we fought the Sporks. We now have a way to destroy them.
We thought that was impossible.
It was, but our tech is advanced. You know, we shouldn't let prying ears overhear.
Let's go to the base.
Whoa! What are you doing? You brought a stranger into the base?
No, it's okay. This is Arla. She's from Rafcon.
Rafcon? Really?
The antenna worked. She got the message I sent this morning, and she's here to help destroy the Sporks.
The message from this morning? Wow! You must move quick.
I came here as soon as I heard it. Rafcon technology is really advanced. My ship's fast.
Where is it? Our systems would have detected it when you entered orbit.
This old equipment? I doubt it. You might need to upgrade your tech.
Upgrade my tech? Ha! This stuff is state of the art. Oops! I meant to do that.
Levi Weston? I didn't know you were into country music.
You haven't heard the best of it, Solon. Rafcon has found a way to destroy Sporix.
Huh?
And if you show me the ones you've captured, I can get rid of them.
Hold on! I've been studying Sporix for millions of years. My results are conclusive. Sporix can't be exterminated. How did they figure it out?
Hey, why all the questions? She's a knight of Rafcon.
Giving away our Sporix is risky. I'd feel better if she proved herself by reading my mind.
Sure.
You don't have to do that, Arla. I trust you.
You do you?
Sorry. Space travel can be intense. I am truly exhausted.
You can sleep in one of our chambers. This way.
Why are you being so unwelcoming? Arla is from Rafcon. She is proof that my people survived. Don't you understand what a big deal this is?
I know, Zato, but the Sporix must not end up in the wrong hands.
Of course, but Arla is on our side. She wants to destroy the Sporix.
So she says. However, if you ask me, it's all a bit too good to be true.
Voila! Just like a fancy hotel. Minus the fancy. Sorry, we don't get many guests.
It's wonderful. Thank you.
Sweet dreams. See ya.
Have a good sleep.
Well, I haven't figured out why the Stegosaurus activated earlier, and there's been no signal since, but I'll keep trying.
If we found the Zord, it might cheer Javi up. He's salty about something, but he won't talk about it.
Salty, like those potato chips.
No, like grumpy, upset.
These two need a teen dictionary.
Upset, huh? Well, now that you mention it, I found this viral video. Look.
Whoa, he got his guitar.
And he can really play.
Unfortunately, that's not all.
Seriously, Javier, I'm gonna do you a favor and get you your money back. But show's over, folks.
Oof, that's a bad time.
Hey, so Izzy's gonna be fine. She just needs a little bit of time.
That's great, Javi.
Listen, we know why you've been so out of it lately. There's a video online of your dad taking your guitar.
That's not how I wanted to go viral.
It's pretty rough. Is there anything we can do to help?
No. Thanks. Hang on. That video was taken around the same time the Zord Finder went off, right? Could your music have energized the Stegosaurus?
Intriguing. Perhaps the signal stopped because you stopped.
What? Playing music? You think so?
Let's find out. Grab an instrument.
But why would playing music energize...
Stop questioning it and play, my boy, play! Oh, I can't wait to see if this works.
Yes! Keep it up, Maestro. The Zord's responding.
The music must amplify Javi's Ranger energy. That's activating his Zord. I've nearly got the location. Got it. The Stego Spike Zord is somewhere in Greenlee Woods.
Now let's go find it.
It's the Ranger hotline.
Rangers, we need your help. A robot's attacking the city. Ah!
That's gotta be Boom Tower.
Javi, you head to Greenlee Woods and find your Zord. We'll take care of Boom Tower.
Let's go. Wish me luck.
You won't need it, Javi. You've got your music.
All right, team, be careful. He could be anywhere.
What is happening? Oh, it's that!
Am I imagining it, or is he looking right at us?
Sure am.
Yup, I think he can see us.
How do we beat him?
You can't! Void Knight let me keep the sporks so that I could crush you all!
Uh-oh. Solon, send in our Zords. Zords combine!
Linked! Dino Fury Megazord!
Let's take him out!
That just tickles! My turn!
Heads up!
Yes! Kneel before me!
I hope Javi's having more luck than us.